Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off power saving mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So the fastest and the easiest way to do it is to simply swipe from the top again, and here we are looking for the power saving option. Here it is, and we can turn it off. If for whatever reason we do not have this shortcut at the top, or it's inaccessible for whatever reason, then we need to go to settings, then battery options, and here we have our power saving switch that we can turn on or off. Of course, we have a few more power saving options here that we can pick and choose, but if we enable this mode, all these options will be included in this mode. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.